Yuji doing Dismantle Sukuna's thing. So, let's draw this from Modulo. I'm on a landscape page. This is work portrait, obviously, as well. Hit pause if I go too fast. We can see his eyes in this one. So we'll go for his eyes first. So we carve a line up and over the top. Kind of spikes out the back. It is a thicker line on top than the bottom. And yeah, we get kind of a different, so like it's not like you get like a little spike there. It's kind of different eyes to the original. And then the bottom goes around here. You can draw in a tear duct or not. I think they do in this. They kind of do draw in a little tear duct. So there's one eye shape. So his iris then, circle. Wide eyes. Pupil. In the middle. We get a bit of an eyelid line, I think. Just like coming across the top, kind of. It's all sketchy, sort of. There's a bit of a nose line there. And then I think we have some eyelid lines just down the bottom here as well. Like it's just some light sort of lines like that. And then his eyebrow, kind of like a check mark or a spike just going. Back that way. His nose. So tip of his nose, just down there. And then the other nostril. Just there. That's one eye and the nose, so the other eye just across. So you're about eye width, right? So just whatever this eye is for you, that measurement, come over that much and you'll keep it in proportion. So you won't be too far, you know, you won't look like a frog, kind of. So like this fits roughly in there, between the tear ducts. And then you go up and over. And we'll just darken it again. It is a dark line. It's heavy. And they do this, I think, at the back. It's a different art style to the first Jujutsu Kaisen. And then we just bring this under into his tear duct. Like so. Eye, circle. Pupil in the middle. Very small pupils. Concentrating super hard. And then we get his eyelid line just on top again. Some little sort of eyelid lines around the bottom. His scar has changed. Is that just me? Like, usually that scar like comes the whole way down. Has he healed his scar somehow? Right, his eyebrow, just up here. I think it disappears under the hood, but we'll draw in as much as I can see anyway. So in terms of like scar, can't see his mouth. So again, this scar used to go in a different direction, but in this one it's different. So well, I'll draw it like I see it, because who knows, there could be a reason it's different. It's just there. I draws it like I sees it. So it goes this way, down that way, and then like pew 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 laser noises. So he's got these little texture lines on the inside of his scar. Yeah, laser noises. So I think the best thing to do probably now is like the hood. Like we got fingers, but like the hood is just below sort of his nose here, and we'll do the hood because I think it's the easiest way to go with this. So we're going this is all the hoodie. Comes around here. It's kind of bumpy. It's like bumpy fabric. You know, it's got all these little curves and stuff. And it comes down the other side. So I'm leaving a gap there because the finger, like he's doing the dismantle, he's doing it like this. So it kind of reminds me of Gojo's purple or something. So his hair, in terms of like, so you can see some hair in here actually. So just above the scar right here, right? So you get a V and then some texture lines just coming out from that, going across the top of his head. Right, so you might have like his pink sort of hair just going all that way. Then we can see the side of his head there, very, very blurry. So like it would be like a sideburn, I think. Like there, because he does have sort of long hair. You can't see that there, but I'm doing this just because I know the way Yuji's hair is. So it's probably like a bit of pink there. And then we can see the side of his face coming down. And then jaw, change direction in that way. And I think we get a bit of ear just here, like a tiny little sliver. And I'll do like an extra little curve just for the hoodie in there. So he has his other scar, it comes from behind the fingers. So I think it's probably best maybe to do the fingers first and then finish the rest, because we get like big ones here. So to curve, this is his index finger, and then you get the middle finger. Two curves like that. So you get two fingers and a thumb, basically, right? So the thumb is like sticking out this way. So we do the fingers coming down. We kind of got these bumps on it for his knuckles. Doing these little sort of angles down that way. Then the next one, kind of the same sort of situation, just following that. And then we get the curved parts of the fingers going there. And then we do his thumb, kind of coming in that way. Now that's just the contour outlines of the finger. So you can add little details to make them look more like fingers, right? So the main one that makes it like work really well is like these curved knuckle lines. Kind of looks like skin, you know? So they just kind of curve around them like these things, you know, on my hairy arms. So curved knuckle lines. A lot of people comment on my hairy arms. Curve around this way. I find it extremely funny. For his fingernails. Boom, 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 ba-dum. Yeah, and of course, like he's two more fingers going in that way, but they're kind of cut off. So, dun, 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 dun. Okay, so above here we get the scar that's on the like the corner of his mouth, just sticking up this way. And again, pew 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 pew, like so. And then maybe we can see like a little bit of his mouth. Yeah, I think we can actually. There's like a faint line. I think that's his mouth. Next step is the edge of this hoodie, right? And again, it's a bumpy sort of situation. So it just goes around. So top of it then wraps around his head, obviously. So it just goes up. It's quite high up. And I can't see the side, but I imagine it's like this. And then there's like loads of folds underneath all here. Like there's like the edge of the, you know, there's like stitching that comes down sort of the sides of the hoodie. And then there's lots of this folding sort of stuff, just. So, shoulders, just going down. This one's kind of, looks like it comes out a bit wider. And then like shoulder lines. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, he just, like, I just imagine doing like hollow purple just right there. That'd be so cool. Hope it's helpful. Dismantle. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.